Now in exercise activity 4, so first bit subtract the following. So here we have, so subtract the given fraction. So we have two methods to subtract. One is a direct method, so another is so the same method what we followed in addition. The same method we can apply. So and one more method is there by using cross multiplication method. Using that also we can do, and the same what the pattern we followed in addition. So the same, so that also we can follow. So any one method we can do. So here I am showing the two methods. So whatever methods you feel easy, that method you follow. Okay. First here, first what we have to do. So we have to multiply 10 2s are 20. 20 we have to write in the denominator. 10 2s are 20. Denominators multiply and we have to write. Now first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator we have to multiply. 6 2s are 12. Then minus first fraction denominator with first fraction numerator. 10 1s are 10. It is 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 by 20. So these two are even numbers divisible by 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2. Then in 2 table when you will get to 2 1s are. In 2 table when you will get this 20, 2 10s are 20. So 1 by 10 is the answer. 1 by 10 is our answer. So here second method. This is our first method. So we have to take the fractions 6 by 10, 6 by 10 minus 1 by 2. 6 by 10 minus 1 by 2. So now we have to find the LCM of the denominator. 10 and 2 LCM. 10 and 2 LCM. So 2 is a factor of this 10, 2 5s are 10. 2 is a factor of this 10. So the LCM is the bigger number, that is 10. In 10 table when you will get this 10, 10 1s are multiply with 1, numerator and denominator. So the same pattern what we did in addition, the same pattern we follow. So in 2 table when you will get this 10, 2 5s are multiply with 5, numerator and denominator. Then 6 1s are 6 by 10 1s are 10 minus 1 5s are 5 by 2 5s are 10. Now these are like fractions. When like fractions are there, then how to subtract? So difference of the numerators, that is 6 minus 5 by common denominator. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 by 10 is your answer. So here also 1 by 10 and here also 1 by 10. Any one method you can follow. Either you want to follow the first method or the second method, that's your wish. So this is the method what we followed in addition. The same method again we followed here. So this is one of the method and this is the first method. Okay. Okay. Now here in the second question, so here I want to follow the first method here. So what we have to do in the first method? We have to multiply 2 3s are 6. Now first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator we have to multiply. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3 minus second fraction denominator with first fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. 2 1s are 2. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is in simplified form and also it is a proper fraction. This is our answer. Okay. Now here. So what to do here? So first we have to multiply the denominators. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Then first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 3 3s are 9. Then minus first fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. 4 1s are 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 by 12. This is the answer. Okay. Now here also we have to multiply. Denominators 4 5s are 20. Then after that, first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 3 5s are 15, then minus. First fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. 4 1s are 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 by 4. It is simplified form and proper fraction, and this is the answer. So, this is the method to do subtraction. So, here we have two methods, any one method we can follow, either this method or this method. Okay. So, in this bit one more question is left, that similar question you do as your home assignment. Okay. Question, subtract and write the result. So, in all these fractions, like fractions are given. When like fractions are given, then how to subtract? So, when like fractions are given, no need to cross multiply and all that things, just we have to minus the numerators. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3, here 1 by 3. It is very simple. Here 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, by common denominator we have to take one time. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, by common denominator we have to take one time, 2 by 5. Here 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, by common denominator we have to take once, 3 by 10. Then 7 minus 2, so numerators, difference of the numerator, 7 minus 2 is 5, by common denominator 8. So, difference of the numerators, 11 minus 8, 11 minus 8 is 3, by common denominator 13. Then difference of the numerators, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, by common denominator 27. Then difference of the numerators, 53 minus 34 is 19, 19 by 60, common denominator 60. Okay. So, in this way we have to do subtract, we have to subtract. Okay. So, the remaining questions, remaining more 4 questions were there. If suppose if denominators are same, so 53 minus 53 suppose, then 53 minus 53 is 0, 0 by 60 means 0. If numerators are same, so the difference is 0, so then answer will come 0. Okay. So, in this way first we have to, so difference, find the difference of the numerator, by common denominator we have to write once. So, that is only our difference when like fractions are given. Okay. Now, so the third in activity, third question, fill in the missing fraction. In the missing fraction we have to fill, so what will come in the box? Here 9 minus what, then you will get 1 by 7. Here see, here by 7 by 7, these are like fraction. So, these are like fraction means just we have to check the numerators. What we have to subtract to get 1? It is very simple. So, we have to do 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is how much? 8. So, we have to write here 8 by 7, 8 by 7, 8 by 7. It means 9 minus 8 is 1. So, common denominator we have to take once. So, here also same, 8 minus 4 is how much? 8 minus 4 is 4. So, we have to write 4 by 3, common denominator we have to take. So, that is 3. So, 9 minus 5 is how much? 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 by 3 we have to write. 9 minus 4 is 5, 5 by 3. So, then here also 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 by 2 we have to write. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 by 2. 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 by 4 we have to write. Then 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 by 2 we have to take. 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 6 we have to write. 9 minus 3, 6 by 2, 6 by 2 we have to write. Now, here, so in all these fractions, first fraction is given, second fraction, so second fraction is not given, so just we minus and we did. In this, first fraction is absent, second fraction is given. When second fraction is given, then what to do? Then, so what to do? So we have to add this. So 5 plus 3. When second fraction is given, first fraction minus second fraction, no? It means second fraction is given. Then we have to find first fraction. How to find first fraction? When second fraction is given, just we have to minus first minus answer, then we have to write in second fraction. First minus answer, that is second fraction. Here second fraction answer is given, then how to write first fraction? So we have to add here 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 2. That means 8 minus 5 is 3 by 2. So if second fraction is given, so first fraction, if he asks first fraction, so we have to add and write numerators, we have to add numerators. 12 plus 5, 17, 17 by 6 same, the denominator is same, no change in the denominator, in the numerator only. So what we have to do, we have to decide, either we have to add or we have to subtract. If first fraction is given, then answer is given, then we have to subtract the numerator and we have to write the denominator common denominator we have to write. If second fraction and answer is given, so we have to add second fraction and answer, then we have to write here second fraction and answer. 17 plus 2, 19, 19 by 10 we have to write. This is the procedure to write the missing fraction, okay. Okay students. Now next, fourth bit, subtract the following unlike fractions. These are unlike fractions. How to know these are unlike fractions? Here the denominator is 5, here the denominator is 4. So different denominators we have, these are unlike fractions. Here denominator is 4, here denominator is 3, unlike fractions. Denominator 4, denominator 10, unlike fractions. Denominator 10, denominator 4, unlike fractions. Denominator 4, denominator 10, unlike fractions. Denominator 2, denominator 4, unlike fractions. So we have different denominators, so all are unlike fractions. The same pattern, first we have to convert the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then 7 5s, we have to multiply these two. 7 5s, denominator with the whole number we have to multiply. 5 7s, 35, 35 plus 4, 39. 39 by 5 minus, again we have to multiply these two. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 by 4. Then after that what we have to do? So now we have to multiply 5 and 4 denominators. 5 4s are 20. Now cross multiplication. So multiply first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 39 4s are, 39 4s are how much? 156. 156. 156. Then minus 5. First fraction denominator with first fraction numerator. 5 10s are 50. 50. Then what is the answer? So 106 by 20. 106 by 20. Now we have to cancel. These two are even numbers. These two numbers are divisible by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. In 106, when we divide with 2, then what is the answer? 53. 2 53s are 106. 2 10s are 20. 53 by 10. 53 by 10. Now this is also, first we have to convert these fractions into, so into which fraction? So here 53 by 10, no, before that see here 53 by 10, this is improper fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 10 5s are 50, 10 5s are 50, 3 left, that 3 by 10. 5 3 by 10 we have to write. Now multiply these two. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. 22 by 4 minus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. Now we have to multiply 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Multiply these denominators. Then after that, multiply first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 22 3s are 66 minus first fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. 4 4s are 16. Then 66 minus 16 is 50. 50 by 12. These two are even numbers divided by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. 2 25s are 50. 2 6s are 12. 25 by 6. So this is our improper fraction. 6 4s are 24. Here 25 means 1 left. 1 by 6. Now this first we have to convert this into improper. 4 6 are 24 plus 7, 27 by 4, minus 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33 by 10. Then after that multiply denominators. 4 10s are 40. First fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 27 10s are 210, minus first fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. 3 4s are 12, 12 are 132. 132. Okay. Now 270 minus 132. 8 3 8 3 and 1. 138. 138. Okay. By 40. Now these two numbers are even numbers divisible by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. In 2 table when you will get 136, 69s are 2 20s are 40. 69 by 20. This is an improper fraction. Then 23s are 60 and 9 by 20. Now this we have to multiply. 6 10s are 60, 60 plus 8, 68 by 10, minus 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4. Then after that we have to multiply. 10 4s are 40. Then first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 68 4s are 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 6 are 24, 24 27. Next 10 7s are 70. Then 202 by 40. These two are even numbers divisible by 2. 101 by 20. So 101. So then in 20 table 25s are 100. 100 means 1 by 20. 5 1 by 20. Okay. Now after that, now we have to multiply. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33, minus 10 4s are 40, 40 plus 2 42 by 10. Now multiply. 4 10s are 40. 33 10s are 330, minus 4 42s are 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 168. Now minus them. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 12 minus 6 is 6 and 1. 162 by 40. 162 by 40. Then so these two numbers are divisible by 4. Divided by, not divided by 2. Divided by 2. 2 81s are 2 20s are 2 8 28s are 24s are 80 and 1 by 20. 8 by 20. Now this one 8 1 by 2, 2 2 by 4. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17 by 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 by 4. Now 2 4s are 8. Next first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator. 17 4s are 68. 17 4s are 68, minus 2 10s are 20. 68 minus 20 48 by 8. 48 by these two are divided by 8. Divided by 8. Divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 1s are 8. That is 6 by 1 means 6 is the answer. So in this way we have to do. Okay. We have to subtract. Okay. Now next, fifth bit, fill in the missing fractions. Here first fraction is given and answer is given. So we have to find, so second means what fraction subtract from 4 1 by 5 to get 2. So then how to do? See here. Here first we have to take whole part. What is the whole part here? 4. Whole part. First fraction whole part minus answer we have to do. First fraction whole part 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. That 2 we have to write like this, and this proper fraction as it is we have to keep. 4 1 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5 is 2. That is it, very simple. Just we have to, so minus these whole parts if first fraction is given and answer is given. When first fraction and answer is given, this is the procedure. So then the proper fraction we have to keep as it is. Here first fraction is given and answer is given. So what is the whole part here? 8 and 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. We have to write that 7 whole part like this, and after that proper fraction as it is we have to write. 7 minus 3 by 8, that is 1. 8 minus 3 by 8 minus 7 minus 3 by 8 is 1. If you want to minus it, then you will get the same answer. Then you will get the same answer only. Okay. Now whole part minus whole part. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. 1. 4 by 9. So this proper fraction we have to write 1 4 by 9. 1 4 by 9. This is the answer. Okay. Now here. So what is the whole part here? First fraction whole part is 7 and answer whole part is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have to write that whole part 5, and this proper fraction we have to write 5 5 by 6. If 7 5 by 6 minus 5 5 by 6, then you will get 2. Then here the whole part is 9 and here whole part is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So that 4 we have to write. Then this fraction we have to write 4 6 by 7. After that whole part minus whole part. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 7 by 8. 2 7 by 8. Here first fraction and answer whole parts. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and after that proper fraction 9 by 10 we have to write. Then here 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 5 by 9 we have to write. Here 0 is answer. So when you will get 0? So if same fraction minus same fraction, then you will get answer 0. So same fraction minus same fraction. Same means 7 4 by 9. 4 7 by 9. 4 7 by 9 minus 4 7 by 9 is 0. Same fraction minus same fraction, then the answer is 0. Now here first fraction is missing, second fraction he has given. So when second fraction is given, first fraction is missing, then what to do? How to find? Here first fraction is given and answer is given. Here second fraction is given, then answer is given. If second fraction is given and answer is given, then what to do? We have to add. We have to add whole parts first. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 we have to write. 9 1 by 2. When first fraction, if he asks first fraction, then we have to add whole part, means second fraction whole part and answer whole part. So that we have to write. Now here the first fraction he is asking, we have to add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 7. 7 and proper fraction 4 by 7. 7 4 by 7. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 1 by 2. The remaining 3 questions are similar questions that you do as your home assignment. Okay. So now the students, next concept is multiplication of fractions. Before what we did, addition of fractions, and after that subtraction of fraction. Addition of like fractions, addition of unlike fractions. Addition of mixed fractions, addition of improper fractions, addition of proper fractions. All we did. In subtraction also. So how to subtract if like fractions are given, if unlike fractions are given, if mixed fractions are given, how to subtract, that we did. Now the next concept, how to multiply. So when fractions are given, see here the concept of multiplication. Example, if 1 by 2 is a fraction and 2 by 5 is a fraction, when these two fractions are given, then how to multiply? It is very easy concept. So just we have to multiply numerator and numerator, that is 1 into 2 by denominator into denominator, we have to multiply 2 into 5, 1 into 2 and 2 into 5. So in this way we have to multiply. So then after that what we have to do here? So these two have common factor, these two and these two. If any two numbers in the product have common factor, so we have to cancel with that number. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So then, so what is left in the numerator? 1 into 1 by 1 into 5. 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. 1 by 5 is the answer, is our product. Okay. If any simplification is there, if any common factor is there, with that common factor we have to cancel and we have to simplify. Then after that we have to multiply numerator value with numerator and denominator value with denominator, we have to multiply. Okay. Now here in activity 5 some problems, some fractions are given. So we have to multiply that fractions, The first fraction 2 by 10 and 1 by 2. So we have to multiply 2 by 10 and 1 by 2. So what we have to do? So we have to multiply numerator with numerator, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 by 10 into 2, 10 into 2, 2 into 1, numerator with numerator by denominator with denominator. Then after that these two have common factor 2, so we have to divide with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then what is the answer? Numerator 1 into 1 by 10 into 1, 1 ones are 1, 10 ones are 10. This is the answer. Okay. Now second fraction, numerator with numerator we have to multiply. 2 into 8, 2 into 8 by 5 into 10, 5 into 10. Now after that these two have common factor 2. So these two are even numbers, we can divide with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Like this we have to cancel. Then after that what is left in the numerator? 1 into 8, 1 into 8 by 5 into 5, 1 8s are 8, 5 5s are 25, 8 by 25. This is proper fraction, no need to simplify further. Then after that this here numerator with numerator we have to multiply. 1 into 2 by 3 into 10. So we have to check numerators and denominators. In this numerator 2 and in this denominator 10, these two have common factor 2. So these two are divided by 2. So how? 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. With the common factor we have to divide. So now we have to multiply 1 into 1 by 3 into 5. 1 ones are 1, 3 fives are 15. 1 by 15 is a proper fraction. Okay. Now here how to multiply? Numerator with numerator again. 3 into 2 by 4 into 3, 4 into 3. So in the numerator, in the denominator we have to check here 3 and here 3. it means these two are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. Now we have to multiply numerators. 1 into 2, 4 into 1, and after that 4 into 1, and after that these 2 and this 4 have common factor. These two are divisible by 2. So then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then what is left in the numerator? 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 1 by 2. Now here the same. So numerator with numerator, 3 into 1 by denominator with denominator, 4 into 2. Now we have to check in the numerator 3 and 1 is there, in the denominator 4 and 1. So we do not have any common factor in between numerator and denominator. So do not check in the denominators 4 and 2, this 4 and 2 we have a common factor 2 no. So we have to cancel this now. One numerator, one denominator value we have to cancel. Do not cancel numerator with the same number and numerator with the same number. Okay, one numerator and one denominator we have to check. Now we have to multiply. 3 ones are 3, 4 twos are 8. 3 by 8 is a proper fraction. Now here numerator with numerator, 5 into 3 by 10 into 4. So we do not have any common factor for numerator and denominator. So just we have to multiply and write. These two have common factor 5 and 10. So these two are divided by 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Then what is left? 1 into 3 by 2 into 4. 1 threes are 3, 2 fours are 8. 3 by 8, this is a proper fraction. In this way we have to multiply. Multiplication is totally different. So addition and subtraction, so they are different. So in addition and subtraction, so how to simplify? By taking LCM, and so we simplified there. But here in multiplication it is not like that. No need to take any LCM, just you have to multiply numerator and numerator and denominator with denominator we have to multiply. Here the concept, addition concept you have to apply for addition only. Subtraction concept you have to apply subtraction concept, and multiplication concept you have to multiply concept. So do not apply addition concept in multiplication concept and multiplication in addition. So addition 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is given. So it is not like that 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 4. Just we are adding numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That is not correct. In the addition we have to take LCM and add. But in multiplication we have to multiply numerator with numerators and denominators. All numerators we have to multiply once and all denominators we have to multiply and write in denominator. This is the concept of multiplication of a fraction. Okay.